Hello, today I'll be showing you how to join Steam groups. So when you open up Steam, go under your username and click on the Groups tab. Here you can go under the Find a Group. Now perhaps you want to find other people to play with in Counter-Strike. Just type in Counter-Strike. Here you can see all the groups with the same name. Here you can just click on the Follow. You can view any discussions, post screenshots or your artwork, see all the broadcasts and videos. You can even join in your favorite Counter-Strike team's group. That will be it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and leave a like.